Entering donations in QuickBooks for nonprofits requires a thorough understanding of the software and the organization's financial management. To begin, ensure you have the most recent version of QuickBooks and that your nonprofit is set up as a company within the software. First, create a new account specifically for donations. This is usually a revenue account and can be labeled as donations or contributions. To do this, navigate to the chart of accounts. Click on Account, then New, and select Revenue. Name the account and select the correct account type. Next, enter the donation by going to the banking menu and selecting Make Deposits. In the Make Deposits window, select the account you created for donations and enter the date of the donation. Then, select the customer or donor and the payment method, which is usually cash or check. If the donation is from an individual, you can enter their name in the Received From field. And if the donation is from a business or organization, you can enter their name and select the customer type as Other. You can also add a memo or description of the donation for future reference. It is also important to track the type of donation, such as cash, in-kind, or pledge. To do this, you can set up items within QuickBooks, which are used to track the different types of donations. For example, you can set up an item for cash donations and another for in-kind donations. To enter a pledge, go to the Customer's menu and select Create Invoices. Then select the customer and the item, which in this case would be the pledge item. Enter the amount of the pledge and the due date, and save the invoice. Finally, to generate reports and track donations, navigate to the Reports menu and select Nonprofit Reports. Then select the Donation Report. This will give you a detailed report of all donations, including the date, amount, and type of donation. You can also customize this report to include additional information, such as the donor's name and address. Best practices for entering donations in QuickBooks for nonprofits include regularly reconciling the donation account to ensure accuracy, and keeping detailed records of all donations, including receipts and thank you letters. It is also important to ensure that all donations are properly recorded and accounted for, and that the financial statements accurately reflect the organization's financial position.